So in this video, we are going to see how using automation you can take over your blogger posting on Facebook. Let's say you write blogs on Google Blogger regularly and you want to share those same blogs on your Facebook page as well. But manually publishing a blog and sharing it on Facebook can be a tedious task. So in this video, we came up with an amazing automation using which whenever a new blog will be posted or published on your Google Blogger account, automatically you can share a post for the same blog with the blog link on your Facebook page as well. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Blogger account. Now I want that whenever I create a blog and share it on Blogger, I want to share the link of that same blog with its title on my Facebook page as well as a post. Now to make this happen, we have to connect our Blogger account with Facebook over here. And we will be using an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do this. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. Let's say I want to name our workflow as Blogger to Facebook. And then select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this workflow. So I want to create it in Home folder, so I'm selecting it and click on Create. And after clicking on Create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. In this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Blogger account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we create a new blog and publish the blog, automatically that newly published blog data will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that new blog received from Blogger to Facebook pages. And we are going to create a post for the same blog automatically on our Facebook page. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window, here in Choose App, search for Google Blogger. Just select it. After selecting Google Blogger in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Post Added. And after selecting a trigger event, here you will see we have to connect our Blogger account. Just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Blogger account, and to make this connection, just click on this Sign In with Google button. Select your Google Blogger account from which you want to get the new blogs and then scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Blogger account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, here you can see a list of all the blog IDs which you have in your Blogger account. So in my Blogger account, I have 3 blog IDs: My Blog, Connect and Pabbly. And here in this dropdown, you can see the same 3 blog IDs. Now out of all of these, from which blog ID you want to get the new blogs? So I want to get the new blogs which I'm creating, which I'm posting on my blogs. So I have selected the same over here. Then after that, it is asking us for the status, that what should be the status of the blog whose data we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. And here in the drop down, we have 3 different options: only live, only draft and only scheduled. Now I want that whenever I make a blog on my Blogger account as live, whenever I publish a blog on my Blogger account, I want to share only those blogs on my Facebook page. So that's why I'm going to select only live as the status. And after selecting the status of our blog, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And in this response, you will see the details, you will see the data of the last blog which we have published on our Blogger account. So on my Blogger account, here you can see this is the last blog which I have published, named as Gardening, Cultivating Life's Beauty. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow in the Triggers tab, you can see the response for the same blog. You can see the date and time, that at what date and time this blog was created. You can see the link of the blog, and we are going to share this same blog link on our Facebook page as well. Also, you can see the title of the blog, the same title, Gardening, Cultivating Life's Beauty. You can see the self-link. You can see the link for the blog comments. You can see the date and time at what date and time this blog was published. Here you can see the image URL as well. So in this blog, we have added an image, and here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see the URL, the link of the same image as well. We will scroll down further. Here you can see the content of the blog, and here you can see the complete HTML body with the proper formatting of the blog content as well. This is the same content of the blog which we have just now posted on our Blogger account. Then we'll scroll down further, and here you can see some other details related to that. So in this way, the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully connected our Blogger account with Pabbly Connect and received the details of the new blogs which we are posting or publishing on our Blogger account in our Pabbly Connect workflow. After setting up this automation, here you can see it is showing us 8 hours over here. Now the connection between Blogger and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for new blogs which we are posting on our Blogger account every 8 hours. So every 8 hours, this trigger, Pabbly Connect, is going to go to our Blogger account, and it is going to check that whether in last 8 hours, whether we have published any blog or not. And if we have published, it will get the details of all of those blogs, and then this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Now, if you want, you can reduce this polling time from 8 hours to up to 10 minutes by contacting Pabbly Connect support team. So if you want to reduce this polling time of 8 hours, you can do that. You just have to contact the support team of Pabbly Connect. Now, after completing the step 1, after getting the details of the published blog from Blogger, we want to create a post. We want to share that blog on our Facebook page. So for that, we will come to this Actions tab, and here in Choose App, we are going to search for Facebook Pages. Just select it. After selecting Facebook Pages, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the Action Event as Create a Page Photo Post. So I'm going to create a post on my Facebook account where I'm going to share the same image from my Blogger account. I'm going to share the blog title and also the link of the blog. After selecting the action event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Facebook Pages button. And then because we have already logged into our Facebook account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. Just click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. And here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the Facebook pages which I have in my Facebook account. So in my Facebook account, I have a lot of Facebook pages. Out of all of this, on which particular Facebook page we want to create this post, we want to share this blog from Blogger. So I want to share the blogs which I'm creating on my Blogger account to this page named as Green Pro Landscaping. So here from this dropdown, we are going to search for the same page, Green Pro Landscaping. So just select the Facebook page on which you want to create a post for the blog. Then after selecting the page, it is asking us photo URL. So here we have created the action event. We have selected the action event as Create Page Photo Post. So here it is asking us the URL of the image of the photo which we want to post on our Facebook page. Now you must be thinking how we are going to get this photo URL. So in trigger responses, we have received the details of the newly published blog. And here in responses, you can see we have also received the image URL of the same image which we have added in our Blogger account, in the blog which we have posted. So from trigger responses, we are going to map the response of the same image URL to this Facebook action step. So we'll come to the action step of Facebook pages, and here in photo URL, we are going to map the same image URL received from Google Blogger in the trigger step. Now the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Blogger of a new post, of a new blog being published. Out of all of these responses, select this response of image URL and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever image we are going to add in our blog, with the same image, a post will be created on our Facebook page. After that, it is asking us for the description. So I want the description, the caption of my Facebook post as, for example, and here in this description, in the caption of this Facebook post, I want to mention the title of the blog which we have just now posted. So we have received the title of the blog in trigger responses of Google Blogger. And from those trigger responses, we are going to map the response over here. So we'll just click here. And from the drop down, here you can see a list of all the responses. Out of all of this, we are going to select the response of the title of the blog and we are going to map it. After title of the blog, I want to map the response of the blog link as well. And then I will enter the link as this link. And here we have received the link, the URL of the blog as well. So we are going to map the URL of the blog too. So the caption of this particular Facebook page post will be new blog is published on my Blogger account, title. We will be having the title of the blog and then we will have the blog link. Now in this video, I took an example of this action of create page photo post. But instead of this, if you select this action of create page post, you can directly share the link of your blog on your Facebook page profile as well. Now, after mapping the photo URL and entering the caption, the description of your photo of your post, just click on save and send test request. And when we click on save and send test request, here you will see we are going to receive some response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the description, the caption which we have added with this caption and with this image which we have added in our blog post, a new Facebook page post is created. So let's check it. We will go to our Facebook account and we will just refresh our Facebook page once. And yes, here you can see that just now on the same Facebook page which we have selected in Pabbly Connect, you can see a new post is created. The caption is new blog is published on my Blogger account. The title of the blog is Gardening, Cultivating Life's Beauty, the same blog title which we have published on our Blogger account. And also you can see in the Facebook page, we have the link of the same blog and the same image from the blog as well. If we click on this link, it will take us to the same blog which we have created. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new blog will be published on our Blogger account, automatically the link of that same blog will be shared on our Facebook page as well with the caption of our choice. And after setting up this automation, whenever a new blog will be posted on our Google Blogger account, automatically within 8 hours, the details of all the blogs which we have published in last 8 hours will be captured by Pabbly Connect and automatically we are going to share those blogs as posts on Facebook pages. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.